Best Fortnite Game User Settings Chapter 5. Today, I'll quickly walk you through the best game settings you should use. I'll also show you how to reset your configuration to boost your FPS, plus I'll share some tricks to reduce input delay, giving you a big advantage in Fortnite Chapter 5. To start off, let's reset the configuration on your desktop. Press the Windows key and R, then type in %, local app data %. Now, scroll down until you find the Fortnite game folder. We're going to reset it by essentially deleting it. If you're a bit worried, you can make a backup, but I'm just going to go ahead and press the delete button. Just like that, it's gone. The reason we're doing this is to get rid of old, outdated files and replace them with fresh ones. To revert the file back to its original state, open the Epic Games launcher, go into the library. Another thing I like to do is go into the Manage section and verify the files. This won't take long at all, and it's something you should do every season or after every update. Once it's sorted, you're good to go. After launching the game, it'll prompt you to find the best settings. Click Decline. Once you're in, check your settings. It defaults your video settings, but your sensitivity and keybinds remain the same. No need to worry about those. Now, let's configure these settings for optimal performance. In the video settings, turn on performance mode for lower graphics. Brightness and color blindness are personal preferences. For graphics quality, set everything to low or off. 3D resolution at 100%, turn off shadows, ambient occlusion, and reflections. Keep view distance at medium or higher. Turn off textures and effects, post-processing, and hardware retracing. In advanced graphics, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, consider enabling NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency based on your PC's capability. After optimizing these settings, close the game. Go back to %, local app data %, and you'll see the Fortnite game folder has reappeared. Navigate to Save, Config, Windows Client, and here's your fresh game user settings config file. Right-click, go to Properties, and uncheck Read Only before editing. Open the file and scroll down to Global Illumination Quality Settings. Set them all to 0. Disable energy saving modes by changing both to false. Scroll down to Display Gamma, 100% is default brightness. Further down, find the Stretch Resolution section and adjust both settings for a stretched resolution, providing a significant FPS boost and larger player models. If you're rocking a high-end PC, go for 1811 by 1080 or 1750 by 1080 to snag about 12% more FPS. For those with a medium-end PC, opt for 1680 by 1080 or 1656 by 1080 to enjoy a boost around 23% more FPS. Now, if you find yourself on a low-end PC, take it to 1280 by 1080 or 1024 by 768 for a whopping FPS boost of around 40%. Just follow the tutorial on the screen to make these changes in the game settings. After adjusting the resolution settings, scroll down to find the scalability groups. Set the resolution quality to M100 for the best quality. Keep view distance at a higher level for better visibility. Now, for shading quality, foliage quality, and landscape quality, set them all to 0 or off. Don't forget to click File and then Save to apply these changes. Next, open your mouse software and increase the sensitivity or DPI. If you're using the outdated 400 DPI, consider using at least 800 or higher. Also, boost the mouse report rate or hertz to reduce micro-stutter and lower latency. Some mice support rates higher than 1000, so utilize that if available. In your Windows settings, type in Display Settings, select your main gaming monitor, and under Advanced Display, choose the highest refresh rate your monitor supports. For G-Sync or FreeSync monitors, it might limit the option slightly below the maximum, and that's okay. Just ensure you select the highest available. So those are the optimal game user settings you should apply for Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 1. If this video was helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.